Hey, I'm Kyle, and welcome to That Guy Outdoors. After separating from the Army in February 2023, I embraced the nomadic lifestyle, living full-time in my Taxa Outdoors Cricket, towed by my trusty Subaru Outback Wilderness. Join me as I explore, seek adventure, and marvel at the wonders of our world. Thanks for being part of the journey. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share the channel with other fellow adventurers. Now, let's dive into this week's episode and continue the exploration together.
Still with me all the time. You're still with me all the time.
Now I wish that we did. Time to go for your walk. I'm gonna take you out and go for your walk. See, come on, let's walk.
Well, good morning, everybody. I am being taken for a walk. He told his human that he needed to go for a walk. So he's taking me for a walk. Anyways, I'm out this morning. Don't have my coffee yet. I'll make when we get back, when I make Sir's breakfast. Routines have kind of changed. It's been fun, still down in Baja. Currently back over at Cerritos. Just not at the same spot, just down the beach on Cerritos, and we'll be headed to Bahia de Muertos. Muerte? Bay of the Dead, I guess, is what it's called. But it's supposed to be absolutely beautiful. So heading over there today, and then from there gonna be heading to La Paz and starting to head back north to Arizona. Gotta get some work done, get up to Arizona, debate on possibly going on a little backpacking trip before the Bisbee event, before Weird Wild West, Burnerella, in Bisbee, Arizona. I will be there if you want to come out and join. It's an absolute blast. Make sure you jump on and grab your tickets ahead of time. Another event put on by the Journal of Lost Time. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy our walk. Gonna get his energy out before we got a drive day today. I think we're 2 hours roughly drive time today, so. And a couple stops along the way, so we'll be in the car for a little bit. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. So I left Cerritos this morning and stopped to get gas, and there's two different ways to get to where we're headed. One is we can kind of cut down and across, the other one is to go all the way up through La Paz and come back down. It is 30-40 minutes longer to go up through La Paz, but I needed propane and I needed to stop at Walmart to pick up some pesos. So yeah, we are just leaving La Paz, got propane, got pesos. Also, as you guys saw, got the car washed and the Cricket washed. It has not been washed in a couple months since we crossed the border. Or since before we crossed the border, actually. Anyways, so currently I am leaving La Paz now and headed down to Bahia de Los Muertos. I guess Bay of the Dead or Beach of the Dead. I'm not sure the exact translation. We'll catch you guys in a little bit. We'll see you when we get there. Bye.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna been for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then you stood there smiling.
Thanks for joining me on That Guy Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. If you had a favorite moment, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for additional information, resources, and any gear I used in today's episode. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Share this episode with a friend who needs a dose of outdoor inspiration. As always, join me next week as I continue the journey into the great outdoors, exploring new landscapes, meeting incredible people, and uncovering the wonders of nature. Until then, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next episode.